by formula a plus b square. Answer is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a square plus b square. A plus b bracket all square minus 2ab. A square minus b square. A plus b bracket into a minus b bracket close. A plus b third square. A3 plus b3 plus 3ab a plus b. A minus b all third root. A3 minus b3 minus 3ab bracket a minus b bracket close. Then a ની ઘન b ની ઘન. a ની ઘન b ની ઘન. a plus b a square plus b square minus ab. Then a ની ઘન minus b ની ઘન. a minus b bracket a square minus b square plus ab. a ની 4 b4. a plus b second bracket a minus b third bracket. Third is full bracket. A plus b full square minus 2ab. This bracket close, then full bracket close. A4 minus b4. A minus b second bracket a plus b. Then third bracket a root plus b square.